January 2019, we were able to visit the Elephant Retirement Park in Phuket, Thailand. This is the VIP experience where you're separated from large groups and you get one-on-one time with an elephant throughout your day. I highly recommend choosing the VIP experience if you're able to. It was absolutely amazing. You start the day by chopping sugarcane and preparing bananas for the elephants. After you're finished preparing the food for the elephants, a mahout or elephant trainer takes you over to some of them where he teaches you how to feed them and lets you know a little bit more about each one. You spend probably around a half an hour feeding the elephants, and as you feed one elephant, many more start to show up. They teach you each one of their names and a little bit about their personalities. Each elephant has a completely different personality. After feeding the elephants loads of bananas and sugarcane, you take the elephants on a jungle walk, which is absolutely amazing to watch them walk on such uneven ground, much better than we were able to. After the quick jungle trek, you make your way back to the main camp. Along the way, you meet a lot of different elephants and mahouts, most of which are just hanging in the shade waiting for a tourist to come by with a bunch of bananas. After you make it back to the main camp, you head over to the mud pit. The mud helps cool down the elephants, it's great for their skin, and they just really love to play in it. The mud feels awesome on a hot day, trust me. After the elephant and everyone is sufficiently muddy, we wash off the elephant, getting as much mud as we can off before we head over to the open pond. Watching the mahouts play with the elephants, you can really start to see the bond that they have with them. This sanctuary does not allow any sort of riding, doesn't use hooks, doesn't beat the elephants, or anything along those lines. It's really an amazing place where the elephants can be elephants. That's their motto, and it really does show. Our job while in the pond was to scrub the elephant to get rid of all the remaining dirt on him. It's a lot of work, but a lot of fun too. After the time in the pond, then it's time for a quick photo op. We took a shower, changed our clothes, and then headed over to start making medicine for the elephants. The medicine we made was to help with digestion for the elephants. You mash these rice balls together and then, well, you feed them directly into their mouth. After feeding the elephant all of the rice balls, you head over to make another type of medicine, a topical one that helps with inflammation and other issues the elephant may have. You start by dicing up all of the ingredients using these large cleavers. Then you head over to a mortar and pestle that's on a pendulum of sorts, where you use your leg to actually make the pendulum move and crush it. It's a lot of work as well, but good to know that you're going to be helping the elephants. The mahout then scoops out the mixture and goes to heat it up using boiling water. Once the mixture is ready, you use these large pads to soak it up and then actually tap it onto the skin of the elephant. This is the final activity that you do with the elephants. After this, on the VIP tour, they lead you to a secluded area in the back where they teach you how to cook traditional Thai dishes and then let you have the most amazing lunch in a treehouse, basically, overlooking the entire main camp. Unfortunately, at this point, my camera actually overheated, so I don't have any footage of where we had our lunch. But what's great about the VIP package is you actually have your own photographer that follows you throughout your entire day, taking all sorts of photos. In total, I think we had something like 380 different photographs taken, so you're definitely going to find things you like. I can't thank this sanctuary enough, both for what they do for the elephants and also the opportunity that they give to people like us. Our mahout, Nikki, was fantastic, answered all of our questions, gave us tons of information, but also let us go at our own pace and really try to connect with the elephants. Thank you so much to the Elephant Retirement Park Phuket. I really recommend it to anyone looking to experience elephants while in Thailand.